In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you what happens after removing someone from a WhatsApp group. So I've created a test group here, and in order to send a invite link, you're going to have to tap on the group and scroll down. And below the invite members, add members, you can see invite via link. You click on it and you tap on copy link. So I'm going to choose someone to send this message to. So I've sent a invite link to this chat. So I'm gonna log into another account and show you how to join the group. Okay, so I'm here in my other account. So the invite link that I just sent, I'm going to tap on it and it will take me to the group. So let's assume you added someone to the group and they start spamming stuff and doing something that is annoying or not appropriate, and you will have to remove them from the group. So if something like that happens, you will have to remove them from the groups, and if you do, let's see what happens from their perspective. So I'm gonna log into my admin profile. Okay, so I've logged into my admin profile, and as you can see, if I go down on the group, I can see the members here. And let's say this member is being annoying and you will have to remove them from the group. So once you do, you will tap on remove and remove them from the group. So here it will show it up as well. So let's see from the other perspective what it looks like if they try to rejoin from the link that you sent before. Okay, so I've logged into this other account and it shows that I have been removed from the group. So if I go back and try to go back to the same link that I joined from, it says you can't join this group because you were removed. So they will not be able to join the WhatsApp group again from the link that you sent before if you remove them once. So, and if you have to add them back again, then they will have to personally reach out to you, or you send them another invite link, and that way they can rejoin the group. So yeah, that's what happens if you remove someone from a WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching.